Right. So in the last session, what is the last point I discussed with you? Can you share with me? What are the last topics? I think use strict. Am I correct? Use strict. What is a use strict usage? What is the use of use strict? Come on, quickly respond. Come on, guys. What is a use strict? What is a use strict? Variable declaration in JavaScript, variable declaration compulsory, not compulsory? Answer quickly, my dears. Involve perfectly in the subject so that it will be more interest. In JavaScript, variable declaration compulsory, not compulsory? Yes, in JavaScript, variable declaration is not compulsory. Excellent. But what is the use strict is doing? What is use strict is doing? What is use strict is doing? Respond to me because I already explained that day very clearly. Use strict is doing. Yes, declaration of JavaScript variables mandatory. Let me know it. For example, I'm giving script. Super. Where x is equal to 10, where y is equal to 20. Then I'm giving document dot write. I said x plus y. Will it be executed or not executed? Quickly answer. If executed, what output will come? If not executed, where is the mistake? If not executed, where is the mistake? Come on, need to respond quickly, my dears. Right, my dears. Hope you people are understanding the words. Perfectly executing. Perfectly executing here. Ahmad, perfectly executing. I don't know where is the mistake. Anybody tell me where is the mistake here? One or two members said not executed. Where is the mistake? Is there any chance to mistake here? No chance. No chance to mistake here. Very good. Now I'm using within the quotation use strict. And what is this? Right, use strict. Now is there any mistake in the program? Come on, software engineers. Quickly try to respond. 1.5 hour. Be sure here. Is there any chance the program mistake or successfully executed? What output you are getting? Result is class perfectly executed. Any mistake in the program? Try to find out anybody. Any mistake in the program? Try to find out. No mistake. Shall I? No mistake. Shall I modify? Right, I removed where now. Will the program success or failure? Will the program success or failure? Right, program failure. No output will come. Very good. No output will come. Reason anybody? Why no output is coming? Any reason anybody why no output is coming? Right. Where is compulsory? When where is compulsory? When use strict keyword existed. Listen correctly. When use strict keyword existed, the time where is mandatory. Are you okay now? What I'm writing here? That time where is mandatory. Now will it be executed? Come on, Pavani, will it be executed now? Perfectly executed. No doubt in that. So right, come back here. Use strict level, whatever the keyword available. Now use strict available. Okay. Now I remove this one. Now will the program executed successfully? Come on. Will the program executed successfully? Yes. Now where is not there? Will program executed successfully? Come on. Multiple ways I'm asking. Will program executed successfully? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Super. Right. Now I'm giving strict. Will it be executed now? Come on. Sir, you're asking, cross-checking everything. Yes. No chance. No chance. Now use strict keyword is clear for you now? Any doubt regarding use strict? Perfect. So yesterday hoisting we did. Everybody clear hoisting or any question is there regarding this hoisting level? That is a hoisting is nothing but you declared here, for example, var x and var y. Not like that and whatever is there. So I'm declaring, for example, var x, var y. So will it be success or failure now program? Will it be success or failure in the program? Yes, perfect. Right. Now the same thing. I am putting the assignment here. I am declaring here. Come on now. Success or failure now? Success or failure now? Come on, active in the session, everyone. Yes, 100% failure. What is the meaning of nan, everyone? What is the meaning of nan? Please respond to me. Nan is nothing but not a number. Nan is nothing but not a number. Very good. So I'm moving forward to JavaScript validations. Validations. Before I'm going to validations, can anybody tell me verification, validation meaning? What is verification, validation meaning? Anybody? What is verification, validation? Come on, everyone. What is verification, validation? Quickly, at least think and tell me. What verification, what is validation? If you know that meaning, our class is more meaningful. Where we are using verification, where we are using validation. These are the two words most important. Verification to check, validation, no. Not Vijay, not correct. Right. Verification, validation. I'm giving clarity. You can check it. Generally, validation is what happening. Client side or browser side or end user level. Verification, server level or server side, or you can say server level, server side. What should I say? Verification level, server side. Okay. And web server level we are calling. Validation generally happening JavaScript using JavaScript or JS flavors. Verification generally server side, no, like Python, JSP, ASP, PHP, Ruby, Node.js. Anybody you heard the name Node.js? Any of you guys heard the name Node.js? What is a Node.js specialty, my dear? Server side JavaScript, SSJS. What is a Node.js? What is a Node.js? Server side JavaScript. Node.js is a server side JavaScript. Please understand the terminology, everyone. Nowadays, very powerful programming it is. Right, leave it. So you got an idea now. What is validation? What is verification? Come on, quickly answer in the chat box. Quickly answer in the chat box. You got an idea? Verification, validation. My sir, audio video is clear, my dears. Any question? Excellent. Good. Now I'm entering more. Live it JavaScript validations. Right. Forms already completed HTML forms. Do you remember? HTML forms already completed. Do you remember? Come on, answer. Very good. What is the meaning of the form? Form already completed, you remember. Can you tell me what is the meaning of form? Anybody, quickly, what is the meaning of form? I'm not asking big questions. I'm testing you people how you are in the basic level or in the base level. What is the meaning of the form? Form is a container. Form is a container which can able to hold. Form is a container which can able to hold form controls. Do you remember two types of tags available? I said, please tell me, can anybody? What are the two types of tags here? What are the two types of tags? Can you confirm to me? Very good. Paid tags, non-paid tags. What is a paid tag? What is a non-paid tag? Paid means opening available, closing available. Non-paid means only opening, there is no closing. But I spoke another word also. Do you remember that one? Container tags. Container tags. What is the meaning of container tag? Inner HTML property supports. Non-containers available. What property supports? Value property. In HTML, how many types? Paid available. Correctly know it. Final sessions, very important for interview panel. Paid tags. Paid tags means opening and closing both available. So non-paid means only opening, no closing. So try to understand. These are the JS level. These are the HTML level. Getting words? Hello everyone, software engineers, are you getting? Come on, come on. You have interest, more deliverables will come. Very good. More deliverables will come. Right. Going to JavaScript level validation. How many types of validation generally available? So your basic validation available, data format validation available. What is basic validation? What is data format validation? For example, there is a text box available. Alphabets only valuable. There is a mobile number available. Numbers only valid. In that situation, what I need to do? Basic validation means what? Alphabets time, you entered some data. At least data you entered or not. Alphabets time, numbers entered. Numbers time, alphabet you entered. No problem. Data is there. So basic validation always checking at least minimum data is there or not. But data format validation time, what it is checking? Okay, some data you entered. That is correct or not? That is called data format validation. So a basic validation means what? The form must be checked to make sure data was entered into each form field that required it. This would need just to loop through, and it is checking that. But data format validation, the data that is entered must be checked. Correct data you entered or not. So the magic between these two, you need to check it. For example, somebody is entering, a person is coming, okay, somebody coming. But coming person, stranger or known? What exactly? The meaning I'm giving to you. Hope you people are getting very closely that. So what is JavaScript duty? Validation. What kind of validation JavaScript can do? Basic validation can do. Data format validation can do. Basic validation means what? The related means first data available or not. So format validation means what? Yeah, entered data is format valid or not. So this is what exactly that one. Right, come to data validation. It is a process of ensuring that computer input is clean, correct, and useful. What that one? The purpose of data validation is to ensure correct input to a computer application. Validation can be defined by many different methods and deployed in many different ways. Server-side validation is performed by a web server after input has been sent to the server. Client-side validation is performed by web browser before input is sent to the web server. Super. Check it. Any terminology doubt, let me know it. Come on. Any terminology doubt, let me know it quickly. No doubt we'll start the programming. Come on, software engineers, please respond to me. Right. Clear. Come on. Right. Entered into up to here, no word is doubt for you. Okay. Shall I go to constraint validations? Shall I go to HTML constraint validation? Do you know, first of all, anybody, what is the meaning of constraint? Can you confirm that? I want to know, first of all, you people having idea constraint or not? Come on, everyone. Constraint, you don't know, my dear. Oh my God. Come on, remaining members. Constraint is nothing but condition, restriction, protection. Observe here. HTML constraints we did already. What kind of HTML constraints we did? You checked it, these constraints we did or not? You remember or not? Come on. Come on, constraint validation. Disabled we did, max we did, min we did, pattern we did, required we type we did. I hope you remember or not, I don't know that. But all we did. Yes, any constraint doubt means raise your question. I'll explain once again here now. Any constraint doubt, please raise your question. I'll explain once again here. Oh, pattern. Pattern doubt is there for you? Okay. Any other one? One student said pattern doubt is there. I'll show you now within fraction of seconds. Any other doubt? Come on. Any other doubt? Type doubt is there. Type what doubt, my dear? Input type is equal to text box. Input type is equal to radio button. Input type is equal to button. Input type is equal to checkbox. Oh my God. Tulasi and Chandrasekhar, great doubt you asked me, my dears. Because of lack of practice, my dear. If you are not practicing, what happened? Same thing happened. Tomorrow, maybe we'll ask what is HTML shape. Okay. So disabled, max, min, pattern, all the words are occurred. Now I'm giving about the pattern. First observe. You remember or not pattern already we did with the telephone number. Maybe you remember or not. I don't know that. So input type is equal to anybody. Tell. Tell level we did pattern is equal to. Remember? Just 0 to 9. Minimum, maximum 10 numbers. After that one I given BR. Before that one label I provided. Label inside I said enter. Enter your number. Enter your number. Super great. So there only we did about input type is equal to submit button. And submit. Input type is equal to submit button. Value is equal to next page. Right, but action is equal to I'm giving. What is action is equal to? I'm giving simple action level smiley.png. Just save it. Observe. Click. Going. Then you can enter. Matching or not matching? Entered. Observe now. Observe now. Correct number observe. So 3, 5 and you are giving. Are you okay pattern now at least today? Come on, software engineers. Right, guys. Any question? Any question from your side? No question. So any constraint doubt in this list? Any constraint doubt in this list? Come on quickly. All the constraints over. Beautiful. Now, form data that typically are checked by JavaScript. Form data that typically are checked by JavaScript. Observe, if a text input is empty or not, if a text input is all numbers, if a text input is all letters, has the user left required fields empty? Has the user entered a valid email address? If a text input is alphanumeric characters, if a text input has the correct number of characters, if a selection has been made from HTML, has the user entered valid date, has the user entered text in numerical field? Please check it. These many number of conditions I need to show you in the validations. So please, terminology properly you can try to understand. These many kind of validations we are going to be check. Understand everyone. Right. Required already given, Rakesh. Required still doubt is there for you? Okay, I'll show you, no problem. For example, data, I didn't enter anything. If I click next page, is it going to next page, Rakesh? If I am not entering anything, your number here, if I click the next page, is it going to next page or not? Rakesh, quickly tell me. Right. Going to next page, observe only, Rakesh. So in that situation, empty should not go to next page. That time, what I'm doing? Simple, I'm giving required constraint. Got the point or not? Now it is a required constraint. Now you can try to refresh here. Refresh, click. Rakesh, observe required importance. Come on, check and tell me. Right. Clear now at least, Rakesh, whatever the doubt you asked. Right. What you understood? What is the meaning of required? You understood, Rakesh? What is the meaning of required? It never allows empty. What is pattern? If I am giving, for example, like this, observe. So 10 numbers available or not? Available. More numbers, again, problem. Okay, same number and you are giving, no problem. But same number you are giving one alphabet, out you are. How validation is working, Rakesh? Are you agreed now? Are you agreed now? This kind of all these constraints, whatever attributes given to you. Constrained validation. Right, clear. Now I want to check one text box empty or not. If a text box empty, I want to write, please enter some data. Shall I check? Shall I validate one checkbox, one text box, everyone? Are you ready? Do you want to see? In JavaScript, I want to write a program. One text box empty or not, I'm checking. Shall I? Yeah, one text box empty or none. So what kind of program you are writing, we'll try to check it. Right. Now I'm entering simply. Uh, okay. So remove it. Take an empty. Enter into titles, validations, scripting, scripting inside. Function. I'm giving text box validate. Okay, great. Now I'm giving where text box is equal to document dot get element by id. id I'm giving txt. Then I'm giving here only if txt box dot value. Value I'm giving not equal to, correct labs, value not equal to empty. Then you can give something for that one, alert. Uh, thank you. Uh, thank you for entering data. Thank you for entering data. That is that. So now I'm giving you else. Else level what you are giving? Uh, sorry, input mandatory. Input mandatory. Super. First, basic logic clear or not, you can check it. Come on, everyone. Basic logic, line by line, correctly validate. Live validations we can see today onwards. This is the last week for you, my dears. JavaScript. End of this week, I'll close. I'll discuss Thursday or Friday, Saturday also some bootstrap outlines. With the bootstrap, some validations. Come on. First script part is clear for you. Shall I move forward? Come on, my dear. Are you there? What you are doing? Right. Then form we are taking. Form inside what we are doing. That is a very important. So form inside, for example, I'm giving action is equal to. Once completed the page, go to, for example, smiley.png. And I'm giving label. So I said enter username. Okay, provided. Then input type is equal to text box. Name is equal to first name. And required also I'm giving for your understanding purpose. Great. Better I'm giving one BR tag also. But not only that, text box inside, what ID I'm taking here? That is very important, TXT. That ID I'll take. ID is equal to TXT. So what we are going to? Input type is equal to button. Input type is equal to button. On click is equal to On click is equal. Value is equal to validate. Super. So now, for example, you are going to text box. You didn't enter. Check it you only what you are getting. Come on. Are you okay? Right. I entered something here. Click. Are you checking remaining members? I'm giving sufficient time to you to validation checking. Are you okay? Right. Click. Yes. So action level, what is going on? So smiley dot picture. So right. So all these words you are understanding the things. Perfect. So input type button on click is equal to all these words are completed. Action working, yeah. Oh, we'll do that thing. Action level, what you given? Validation happening, and you can try to. Yeah, we'll see why it is not going to be. I'll develop that one. Just observe. I'll check it. Action form level. Okay, why it is not going to work out. Any other when we can try to see action why it is not going to be. Okay, so because validations level we are writing no, this is it is going to be okay, should go actually. Should go actually. Okay. What is the need of that? We'll try to check it. Action level. Okay, understood. So why it is not working? Understood. I'm giving. Okay. So this is a JavaScript level we are doing. Correct. Observe. Understood. I'll give you button and submit. So now you are giving here. Okay. But what you are giving here, button independently it is working. Independently it is working. If I'm giving that one, for example, when you submit, no data entered, sorry, input compulsory, okay, and you can try to say input compulsory, give, and you given, yes. Hope you're understanding button level in submit level. I didn't check that one actually. Given everybody, what is the use of that? Yes. When we are going to submit, it work out. Very good. Check it. Same program I'll write within one line now. These many lines code you wrote no. Shall we do automatic validation? Clear? Come on. Check it total. Shall we do automatic validation without writing this much JavaScript? Without writing this much JavaScript, can we do automatic validation? Right. Remove this on click story, time waste. Remove it, on click story. That's it. No ID, nothing. That's it. Only required. Enough. Click. Understood automatic validation? These are only constraint. Previously, somebody asked me what is mean the constraint. Are you understanding what is the meaning of constraint, remaining members? Come on, come on. Are you understanding the meaning of constraints? Right. This is a big one. And almost you understood. Right. Completed using constraints also. Moving forward. Anybody you heard the name disabled attribute? Quickly answer. Any of you guys heard the name disabled attribute? Disabled attribute. Come on quickly. Many times we did. You remember or not? I don't know that, but many times we did. I'm showing one disabled attribute here. Come here. Just I'm giving validate available here. For example, disabled I said. Observe submit button working or not working now. Validate. Now validate working or not working. Am I clear? Disabled meaning? Am I clear? Disabled meaning? We can disable the test book also. Yes, we can disable. How we are writing text box disable time? Let me complete. In some web pages mainly, I'll show you the things here. For example, I'm taking a form. I'll show you in some web pages in the live applications are available. So action I'm taking. Simply action level what I'm doing here. So in HTML5.png I'm giving. So what I'm giving here, label, I'm giving username. Correctly understand, take your own time to understand the resources. And I'm giving input type is equal to text box, name is equal to first name, and the value is equal to, for example, I provided, I said disabled. That is a beautiful one, and I'm giving break tag. After that one, I'm giving, for example, last name I'm giving. So last name I said, last name level what I provided, same L name I provided. I am not giving anything disabled here, okay, because I can able to edit. Then I'm giving here input type is equal to submit. Value is equal to next page. Observe now. Go into next page. Observe now. Can I modify this username? Is it possible to modify this? Come on, everyone. Is it possible to modify KS Raju? Come on, remaining members. Are you there? Within 1 hour only you are getting what, my dears? Or you are getting. Right. So it is going. But here required attribute is not working. So here I'm giving now required because without going any place. Right. Now you can click on that. No chance. Is there any chance to go to next page now? Compulsory you need to fill something. Yes, after registering and product name available sometimes, or sometimes some kind of offers available. Buy 2, get 1. So that level, Ahmad, these are in disabled stage. Because you can't change the offers. Offer by default coming. So that is very important word. Right, great that one. So disabled, still any doubt? Code you want? Okay, observe the code and tell me. Observe the code and tell me. All these words. Clear for your code. Now on disabled completed. Now return the value of the button. So for example, on the button, what value available here? On the button, what value available? On the button, what value available? Can we display the value? Come on the button, what value available? Next page available. Can you capture the value? Can we try it? I'm doing here simple observe you people. What that one? For example, I'm going here. I'm giving simply here. So I'm giving input type is equal to button. ID is equal to something, anything you can say button. Value is equal to, I want to pick Naresh ITHYD. Okay, that is. So paragraph. The text on the button is, I'm writing. The text on the button is, okay, paragraph will close down, but even though I need to work out what that one script is compulsory because we are writing script inside. So the script closing before we'll try this. Okay, that is good. So script inside what we are writing, document dot get right will write because I'm printing no message. Then inside I'm writing document dot get element by ID. So what ID that one? Button one. Okay. Dot it is having generally value property. It is having value property. So check it you only. Is it chance coming or not? Come on, what it is going to be print? Returning button value. Come on, observe the button value now. Clear? Is it working? Hello, everyone. Come on. Some validations I'll show you. Slowly I'll go to radio button level, checkboxes level, login pages, registration level. Like these validations we can try to observe. Source code, you want to check it. Check it the source code and tell me. Come on, remaining members. Source code is clear. Just observe very closely. Right, I'm going to next level. Radio button validation. What is a radio button and checkboxes difference, my dear? Let me know it, everyone, quickly. Radio button and checkboxes difference. Radio button validation I'm showing. Can anybody give me radio button validation? What is the difference between radio button and checkboxes? Script and script. Function. Validate radio button. Are understanding? Radio on only one time. Checkboxes is multiple time. Right. Function radio button validation. Where radio 1 is equal to document dot get element ID. First radio level mail I'm taking ID. Dot generally what available? Checked available. Checked. Radio button 2 also I'm checking. Is equal to female I'm taking. Okay. First logic clear or not, you can check it. If understand correctly what I'm doing. Radio 1 equal to empty and radio equal to no empty. Anyone I'm taking. Correctly understand the words here. And what you are giving? Alert. Aim. Must select gender. If you are not selecting gender, I'm returning what? False. Returning false. Otherwise, what I'm returning? True I am returning. Beautiful. First, the meaning, whatever I wrote, you are clear or not, tell me. Come on, everyone, check it. Else, if you want, you can write. Otherwise, leave it. There is not a matter, Ahmad. Otherwise, else you can write lot of hangama again. Okay, again you want to write else, and again you can close. Okay. I think Ahmad, you checked this one. Are you okay? No, sir. Simply means this is easy for you. Again, that much hangama doesn't require. Come on, everyone. Logic clear or not? The logical part. Radio button validation. Basic validation. What is double and meaning here? What is the meaning of this one? Which kind of and it is? Which kind of and it is? Correct answer. Very good. Logical and. Do you know what is a logical and, logical or, and logical not? Tell me. Logical and, logical or, logical not meaning, you can tell me. Come on, anybody. Logical and, logical or, logical not meaning, you can tell me. And meaning both are true, the result will be true. Understand correctly. Or meaning any one true, the result will be true. Not meaning true means false, false means true. Hello, software engineers. What happened? Am I okay? Right. Moving forward to body level now. What I'm writing? Select valid gender. I'm giving BR tag. What I'm giving? Form I'm giving. Form inside only we can keep. What is there? Why outside this one again? Label. So label I'm giving here. Select a valid gender. Super. Then what I'm providing here? Select valid gender. At the same time, what we are going to be form one. Okay, it's not a matter. So I want to click no action. I want to go there. So action level, I'm displaying HTML5.png. Okay, so I'm giving that one. Method also I'm giving post. You know, of course, all these decorations. Input type is equal to radio. And ID is equal to male. Value is equal to male. And you are giving outside male, whatever it is. And it is female. Right, female. It is female. And it is male. And it is female. Right. Submit. I'm giving on click is equal to. On click is equal to. Okay, value is equal to. Gender. So male available, female available, gender available, all the things you can observe. Method, everything. Come on, check it. If everybody okay, I'm going to run this one. Check it once. Right. Come on, amendment. Shall I move forward? Very good. Nice. Right. So now I'm moving to not selected anything. Observe here. Not selected anything. What it is saying? Not selected anything. What it is saying? Okay. Must select gender. Now I selected, for example, here. You will observe. I'm not putting that because post level male I selected. Click. Observe. Observe. Hello everyone. Are you okay? Getting terms. You must select. Otherwise, code is clear. Do you want to see the code? Code is clear. Do you want to see? Right. Code, you want to check it. Check it, everyone. Check and tell me head level correctly observe, body level also correctly observe. First head level clear. Come on, everyone. How much time you are checking? We'll go to next program. Clear body level. Come on, remaining. So I'm giving a task to you. So now if you are really clear that 1 minute, I'm giving a task to you. One minute. I'm giving the task to you. So because both badges, same thing going on, I'm giving the task is validate checkboxes with select status. Try it. The same thing I'm going to. Right, yes, better. I think we'll go to email validation. I think email validation already we did in HTML file level. Anybody remember? Can you confirm to me what is email validation? Just confirm to me. We did, I think. Definitely we did. Anybody remember email validations? Return the value, radio button, checkboxes I'm not giving. Right. Check it once. So these all are basic validations.